everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Crystal, and we in the kitchen, so you already know that means it's time for another episode of Cooking with Crystal. Yay! I'm excited, you guys. I know every time I do a video, I say I'm excited, and that's because I am excited every time I do a video, because I really do like to try out, little cooking stuff, see what y'all think about it. But anyways, I'm excited because today I'm making buffalo cauliflower bow in the oven, right like that. So we gonna go ahead and jump into this video. If you've watched more than one of my cooking videos, go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss nothing. These recipes be good. Okay, so now you gonna start off with half a cup of flour. Pour that in there like that. Half a cup of water. Pour that in there like that. A tablespoon of olive oil. Some garlic, a tablespoon of garlic powder. And this, listen, when I tell y'all, just a dash, two dashes of seasoning salt, okay? Now you're gonna take that, you're gonna get your whisk, let me get my whisk. You're gonna get your whisk, you're gonna stir it up, nice and, whatever, like that. Stir it all together. And once you're done that, you can go ahead and you're gonna set this to the side, okay? Just like that, set it to the side. Now, you'll get your cauliflower. You can get your knife. Did I tell you how to preheat your oven? If I didn't tell you, wow, that's aggressive. If I didn't tell you, make sure you preheat your oven to 450. I always do that as soon as I start cooking because I don't know about y'all, but my oven takes forever to heat up. Y'all, it's ridiculous. So anyways, preheat your oven to 450. Now, what you finna do? You finna cut your cauliflower. So, oh shoot. Okay, so I'm breaking it off. Now, I'm probably only gonna cut these into like halves once I break them because the recipe was saying you don't wanna have pieces that are too small or that's what's gonna make your cauliflower bites be like mushy. You don't want no mushy buffalo cauliflower bites. Want to be a little crunchy, So, just break them off like this. And then after, and I did pre-rinse my cauliflower, y'all, so. Now, one recipe that I probably am gonna try is like, to see if you can make buffalo broccoli bites. And if those will turn out just as good. And you might be like, well, Crystal, why do you want to see about making buffalo broccoli bites? Well, I want to see about making buffalo broccoli bites because cauliflower been thinking a lot of itself. Cauliflower used to be like the little knockoff broccoli. But now, since everybody want to eat cauliflower, cauliflower pizza, cauliflower bites, buffalo, cauliflower this, cauliflower rice, all this cauliflower stuff, cauliflower done got expensive. Cauliflower done got high and mighty. And so, we need to be seeing if we can bring broccoli back. You know what I mean? Just to knock cauliflower down a couple levels. Because I just feel like cauliflower shouldn't be $4.99. I feel like cauliflower used to be $2.99. Maybe it's me. I don't know. But what I am saying is, I'm going to be trying out some cauliflower recipes using broccoli. See how that works out. Okay, you guys. So after you got them all cut up into nice little sized pieces, you're gonna put them into the flour mixture and you're gonna toss it. Make sure that when you're tossing, oh shoot, I'm losing some. Make sure that when you're tossing, you're getting a nice even coat all on everything. So that, all your cauliflowers are getting evenly distributed. This flour mixture based situation. Y'all know what I mean. Mix it up good. All right, you guys. So once you gotten those nice and all covered up and everything mixed up real good, you're going to get a baking sheet. I line mine with foil. It didn't say to do this, but I do this when I be baking stuff on cookie sheets because it makes for an easier cleanup situation. Now, you're gonna put butter all over the the foil pan. That's what they did in the recipe. So. And butter be making everything a little bit better, so I have no problem following this part of the instructions. Didn't really say how much butter. It just looked like they was using a lot of it, so I'm gonna use a lot of it. Just make sure it's like fully and thoroughly covered. My husband just came in. I love him, y'all.
Hey, hey.
Once you're done that, you're gonna put the oh shoot. You're gonna put the cauliflowers onto, there's a little extra mix, so that's why I'm just mixing it a little more before I finish pouring it on here. Put the cauliflowers onto the baking dish and spread them out evenly. You want even distribution. I'm gonna show y'all what my even distribution look like. Just give it a minute. Even distribution, okay? And now after you're done that, you're gonna put it into your oven. Hopefully yours is preheated. I told y'all my oven is slow as all get out. It's still only at 390, y'all. All this time and this joint is still at 390. But anyways, once it gets to 450, I'm gonna put it in there for 15 minutes and I'm gonna take it back out and I'm gonna show y'all the next step, okay? All right, you guys, so my oven went off, so I took those out. Now, I'm going to go into the next step. Get some buffalo sauce, not some, 5 ounces or 2/3 of a cup. If you buy the little 5-ounce bottle, it's the same amount. I'm using Red's Hot, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna be honest, it felt like that butter ain't did nothing, but whatever. So now I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna use my big spatula. I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna scoop. I'm gonna put them in here because I'm gonna toss them all in the sauce. Now I would say toss lightly because you're not trying to crumble off your breading or whatever. Put it back in the oven. Continue to cook it at 450, but this time I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes. And I think I might, for the last 1 minute, broil it because I saw some people commenting on the recipe and they said for the last minute you should broil it. So I'm going to listen to them, okay? And they're gonna go back into the oven. All right, you guys, so I just got the buffalo bites out the oven, put them on a little plate. It's time to taste it, see what this is about. I was talking a lot of trash about cauliflower at the beginning of this cooking video. I don't know if broccoli could do this, y'all. I'm dipping this in ranch, and it feels like I'm eating a chicken wing. This is so good. I mean, this so good, when Ricky come home and ask me about it, I'm gonna have to be like, ah, you wouldn't want it. That's how good it is. But like, comment, and subscribe. If you done watch more than one of these videos, you already know. Subscribe, y'all. Get down with your girl. One time for the one time. But y'all already know. No funny business, okay? Until next time.